difference between chocolate that's dull and soft and chocolate that's smooth and snappy? It's tempering. Here's what you need to know to try stovetop tempering for yourself. First, tempering is a heating process. Chocolate contains several kinds of cocoa butter crystals, but only one kind, beta crystals, will produce chocolate that's set smooth and glossy. Heating and cooling to specific temperatures ensures that only heat-resistant, strong beta crystals set up in your finished chocolate. Second, different types of chocolate have different heat thresholds. We're using dark chocolate with the hottest temperatures. Third, be sure you have a reliable thermometer. I'm using infrared. Finally, chop 1.5 pounds of quality chocolate in a food processor. Small pieces are the key to even and quick melting. Then, make a double boiler. Fill a pot with 2 inches of water and fit it with a heat-proof bowl. Bring to a simmer over medium heat, reducing heat as needed to avoid steam. Add 2/3 of your chocolate and stir. Here, we need to completely melt all of the cocoa butter crystals, so we're heating to 120 degrees for our dark chocolate. Remove from the heat and dry any condensation from the bowl. Add the remaining chocolate a little at a time, melting completely before adding more. Move on to ice and continue stirring until the temperature reaches 82 degrees. Then, move the bowl back onto the pot and reheat to 88 degrees. Finally, test your temper by dipping a knife into the chocolate. If it dries glossy and smooth, you've achieved temper and your chocolate is ready to be used. We're pouring our tempered dark chocolate into molds for raspberry-filled treats. Smooth and snappy. Try tempering for yourself and enjoy the results with all kinds of chocolate confections.